Let us use the document translation app to translate an app from one language to another. The document that I would translate here is available to me in PDF format. Generative AI could change the game for retail and consumer packaged goods companies. Here I am in the document translation app. Let us go ahead and upload the document that we want to translate. So now we have the document uploaded into the app, and let's say we want to translate it into French. So it completed the translation into French, and I can go ahead and download the document in PDF format. Let us now go ahead and make certain queries, ask certain questions on the document. So we ask the question in French, and here we have the answer on the document. Thank you very much.